A laptop or a tablet? That's a question a lot of people who love working on the go often think about. Unfortunately though, laptops these days are becoming a lot more expensive. So if you don't have the budget for them, they're kinda out of the question. But what if a laptop brand offered a well-packaged, affordable tablet? That's where this Lenovo Idea Tab Pro comes in. It's a relatively affordable, smart tablet positioned to be an all-in-one device to work and play on the go. With a price tag of just 21,995 pesos, it comes with specs and features we would normally find on higher-end tablets. Some of these include a large 12.7-inch LTPS display, a long-lasting battery, and even a very capable chipset. And while it might be a Lenovo branded tablet, it does run on Android OS. This means it essentially works like any Android smartphone, catering to a lot of users. In addition, we even get a keyboard, a back case, and a pen in the package. But just how capable is the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro? Well, I'm Sam from YugaTech, and we'll show you all the features of the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro in this video. So let's start with the part of the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro that you will be looking at the most, which is the screen. It features a 12.7-inch touchscreen with 3K resolution featuring an LTPS panel. While the display only has 400 nits of peak brightness, thanks to the anti-glare coating, you can easily see everything happening on screen. So even if you're outside, you can get work done. In addition to the anti-glare coating, it also has a 144Hz refresh rate, which is something you don't usually find on large tablets like this. While it's the gamers who will benefit from the 144Hz refresh rate the most, creators who love to draw will love sketching on the Idea Tab Pro. Using the pen included with the tablet, it's sensitive to pressure. I know my drawing skills might not be the best, but in the hands of someone a lot more artsy, this tablet has a lot of potential. So instead of drawing, we use it mainly to scribble down notes. So if you're a student or someone working, you can think of it just like a ballpoint pen, and this is your big notepad. Perfect if you're packing light and don't want to bring the keyboard around with you. But aside from being productive, you can relax and watch your favorite series on the Idea Tab Pro. Thanks to its large display, you can set it down on the table, watch your movies, and kick back and relax. I mean, why not invite your friends to watch too? It has a big screen after all. And did I mention that it comes with JBL-tuned quad speakers? It also has support for Dolby Atmos, giving the users a much better listening experience. They're quite loud too, and it's enough to fill the entire A-roll room here at the YugaTech HQ. Even with the speakers maxed out, you have decent audio quality to match. While a nice display is great, it won't be enough to give a smooth user experience whether you're working or playing. Fortunately, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro has the power to back it up. Under the hood, it is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset paired with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of fast UFS 4.0 SSD storage. If the SSD storage isn't enough, it even has a dedicated microSD card slot that supports cards up to 1TB. While I'm sure some of you would find 256GB to be enough, it's still nice to have the option of a microSD slot should you need it. For those of you unfamiliar with the Dimensity 8300, it is a 4nm chipset used in higher-end mid-range smartphones. It's not the latest chipset from MediaTek, but it is still very much capable today. It easily handles all of the productivity and creative apps, even with other apps left running in the background. And to give you an idea of just how capable this chipset is, we ran our usual benchmarks on the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. On Antutu, it was able to score over 1.1 million, which is still very good for today's standards. It also did well on Geekbench, 3DMark, and PCMark, and you can check out the rest of the scores right here on the screen to have a better idea of just how capable this tablet is. However, benchmarks are just one side of the story. In real-world use, we have no complaints about the performance of the Idea Tab Pro. Even if you use split screen and floating windows, there's no lag when you're switching between applications that you would normally expect from using these kinds of tablets. So if you multitask regularly, this tablet won't give you any problems. It can even game too, and as expected, light games like Mobile Legends and COD Mobile have no issues on this tablet. It's a similar story when you're playing more graphic-intensive titles like Genshin Impact and Zenless Zone Zero. Imagine work and play in one go. Since this is a tablet and you'll be likely working on the go, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro doesn't want you to be hassled by bringing a charger. Thankfully, it has a large 10,200 mAh battery pack that will easily last you an entire day. And while we firmly believe that battery life is very much dependent on the end user, there's no doubt that Idea Tab Pro's battery lasts a long time. After an entire day of use, we still had around 40% battery life remaining, and that's considering we mainly used the tablets for creative purposes. We also ran PCMark's battery benchmark, and we were able to record 10 hours of 48 minutes of battery life, which is a great result given the huge 3K display of this tablet. For reference, the test was done on airplane mode, 0 volume, and 50% brightness. With that, you don't have to worry about battery life too much when you're out and about using the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. And when you do need to recharge the battery, it has a maximum 45-watt charging rate. Now, the question you're probably wondering is this: why did Lenovo choose to use Android instead of Windows for the Idea Tab Pro? Well, there's one good reason we could think of: ease of use. If this tablet's mainly something you'll use for school, work, or productivity in general, you'd want it to be easy to use, right? With Android, this tablet now comes with the latest Google features like Circle to Search, Circle to Translate, and more. You even have access to Google Gemini AI to make it answer all of your questions without having to go through a different tab. With features like Circle to Search, life becomes just a lot easier. You no longer have to switch applications just to know something about that might have piqued your interest, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, or even just on Google. Just hold the home button, draw a circle around what you want to know, and you are quickly shown images of what that item could be. It's a similar story with Circle to Translate. Now imagine finding an article about something you want to know more about, like for me, it's cars, but unfortunately, it's not in English. Worse yet, you don't speak that language or read that language. That's where the Circle to Translate comes in very handy. It will automatically detect the language of whatever you're reading and translate it to English for you. No need to open the Google Translate app anymore. Instead, just stay on the tab you're in, or rather, the application you're in. As for Gemini AI, it's your AI assistant right at your fingertips. If you've ever used an Android phone before, you definitely know about this guy. It can summarize a website for you, generate bullet points, and even search for stuff without having to leave the app you're using. This makes life just a whole lot easier because imagine, no longer have to switch to Google Chrome and just open up the Gemini AI and let it do all the work for you. If you're someone who uses an Android phone or has used one in the past year, you'll definitely be familiar with all of these features. But now you can actually get work done since you have a big touchscreen and even a keyboard, also a stylus. With the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, you have everything you need to get work done in a small, compact package. For its size, it's very slim and light, measuring just 6.9mm thick and weighing 620 grams. It also looks and feels premium with its all-metal build, and the Luna Gray colorway further adds to its upscale vibe. The tablet also comes with a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera for conference calls or Zoom calls. It's well packaged too, since the Idea Tab Pro already comes with a keyboard and a stylus for its price. Yes, at 21,995 pesos, it already comes with everything you see on screen. And given how capable it is, it's definitely worth checking out. What do you think of the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro? Is it something that you would consider buying as opposed to buying a laptop or even other tablets? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And of course, if you found this video informative or helpful, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Seth from Yugatech, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jane.